Imagine if tomorrow morning astronomers looked through their telescopes and saw something impossible. A new planet, shimmering faintly beyond Neptune. Not a comet, not a distant rock, but a fully formed world the size of Earth, where there shouldn't be one. A hidden giant orbiting in the darkness of our solar system, unseen for billions of years, waiting for its discovery. But here's the question that breaks the universe open. What if this new world already exists, and we just haven't found it yet? Welcome to the mystery of the next hypothetical planet, the SolarBalls Theory. Far beyond the orbit of Neptune, in the frozen reaches where sunlight fades into darkness, something strange happens. The orbits of hundreds of icy bodies, objects like Sedna, Eris, and Quasar, are slightly tilted, stretched, and aligned in one direction. For years, scientists brushed it off as coincidence. But coincidences don't rewrite celestial geometry. Something massive, something powerful is tugging at them. An invisible hand shaping the outer solar system. And that's where the hunt for the next planet begins. Some call it Planet 9. Others call it Planet X. But what if it's neither? What if it's something entirely different? Picture this. A planet 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting the sun at a distance so vast it takes 10,000 years to complete one revolution. A frozen, blue-gray world bathed in eternal twilight. Its sky illuminated not by a bright sun, but by a pale, distant star. Our own sun, reduced to a tiny, glowing dot. If such a world exists, it would be colder than any place we've ever imagined. Temperatures could plunge hundreds of degrees below zero, and its atmosphere, if it has one, might shimmer with frozen methane and neon gas. Imagine standing there, the ground made of rock and ice, with mountains of diamond dust and skies filled with faint auroras triggered by the solar wind that barely reaches its edge. But here's where the SolarBalls theory takes the mystery even deeper. What if our solar system isn't finished evolving? What if it's still growing, forming hidden planetary embryos beyond Neptune? According to this theory, gravitational clumps in the Kuiper belt and scattered disk could slowly merge over billions of years, creating a new planet. Right now, one we might one day detect as it reflects faint sunlight back to Earth. A planet still, being born in the cold nursery of space. Now imagine the chain reaction that would follow if we actually found it. Every physics textbook would need rewriting. Planetary formation theories would be flipped upside down. We'd have to rethink how our solar system was built and maybe how it will end. Because if one hidden planet exists, there could be more. Smaller, colder worlds orbiting on the edge of interstellar space, leftovers of the sun's chaotic youth. And what if this mysterious world wasn't born here at all? Some scientists suggest it could be a rogue planet, a wanderer from another star system, captured by the sun's gravity eons ago. A cosmic trespasser, drifting through the dark before falling into our family of planets. That would mean we're not just tracing our solar system's history, but a story of interstellar adoption. Now imagine what this planet might look like through a telescope. A faint blue speck moving slower than anything else in the night sky. It would take decades just to track a fraction of its orbit. But if detected, it would instantly become the most important discovery since Neptune in 1846, proof that our solar system still holds secrets from the dawn of time. And here's the twist. What if it's not alone? What if the gravitational distortions aren't caused by a single planet, but a cluster of smaller dark worlds, each influencing the other, like marbles caught in a cosmic whirlpool? That's the wild heart of the SolarBalls theory. That our solar system's outskirts may be home to an entire hidden mini-system orbiting in the dark. We might already be looking right at it, hidden between the stars. Maybe a future telescope, like the Vera Rubin Observatory or the James Webb Space Telescope, will finally glimpse the faint flicker of sunlight reflecting off its frozen surface. And when we do, humanity will have to redraw its cosmic map once again. Because every time we think we've reached the edge of the solar system, the universe whispers, not yet. So, what if tomorrow we found a new world, a silent giant that's been orbiting the sun for billions of years, watching us unseen? Would it change how we see our home planet? Or remind us how small and incomplete our knowledge of the cosmos still is? Maybe the next planet isn't out there to be found. Maybe it's out there to remind us that the solar system still has secrets, and it's not done surprising us yet. If this mystery blew your mind, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you think hides beyond Neptune, Planet 9, or something even stranger? Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, because somewhere in the dark, a new world might already be waiting.